All right, let's jump right into this explainer. Today, we are unpacking an incredibly powerful source document that reveals the exact blueprint to hit 100,000 subscribers and build a massive revenue engine in just 12 months. If you've ever wondered how the top creators are actually pulling this off using AI and smart systems, well, you're in the right place. Let's get right to it. Look at that number, 99%. Our source material kicks off with a pretty brutal reality check. 99% of creators quit before they ever make a single dollar. They pour their absolute hearts into their content, see zero traction, and then they just give up. It's a massive failure rate, but understanding exactly why it happens is really our first step to avoiding it entirely. So why on earth do they fail? Well, most creators who give up tend to blame the algorithm. They think the system is rigged against their specific niche, or maybe their equipment just isn't good enough. But our explainer today completely busts that myth. The truth? They just don't know the secret vault of tactics that the top 1% are using. They're basically playing the game without knowing the rules. The question is, are you playing by the right ones? Section 1. Decoding the algorithm and niche selection. Okay, here's the very first major secret. The algorithm is actually a matchmaker, not a judge. YouTube's primary goal is incredibly simple: keep people on the platform. And it measures this using what's called a distribution score. If you want the algorithm to favor you, it comes down to basic math. Multiplying your thumbnail's click rate by your video's pacing dictates your ultimate distribution score. Think about it. Do people actually click your thumbnail and title? And does your script make them stay? Because a video with a 6% click-through rate and a 52% average view duration is going to get exponentially more distribution than one with a 2% click rate and 30% view duration, even if it's about the exact same topic. Which brings us to secret number 2. Niche specificity literally equals speed. A lot of folks think that picking a super narrow niche limits their audience, but our source emphasizes that going highly specific is actually an accelerator. It's not a limitation for rapid channel growth at all. For example, a channel about personal finance for first-generation college students is going to grow 10 times faster than a generic channel just about money, purely because the algorithm knows exactly who to match it with. Now look at the stark contrast in hard dollars here. This shows RPM, which is what advertisers pay you per 1,000 views, broken down by niche. Finance and AI tools command anywhere from $10 to $26, while entertainment sits way down at just $2 to $4. The data absolutely proves that these high-value niches pay massive premiums for the exact same amount of production work. So choosing the right niche isn't just about getting views, right? It's about validating your passion against actual, real-world profit potential. Moving on to Section 2, the first 50 videos rule. I love how the source lays this out. Those early videos, like videos 1 through 20, that is just tuition you are paying to the algorithm to gather behavioral data. In the beginning, growth is naturally going to be flat because the system needs that data to find your specific audience. Most creators, they quit around video 15. But surviving past video 50, that is what unlocks exponential breakthrough growth. Because by then, you've got 50 unique assets working simultaneously for you around the clock. Section 3. Retention engineering and watch hours. All right, the secret weapon here is something the source calls retention bridges. Basically, these are specifically designed phrases meant to interrupt the viewer's drop-off loop, especially during that critical window between minutes 4 and 8, where attention almost always dips. By planting curiosity-driven phrases like, "Stay with me because what I'm about to show you changes how this whole system works," you effectively reset the viewer's attention. You keep them totally glued to the screen. And check out the real-world impact of doing this. A creator's stats can jump from a 28% average view duration to a massive 67%. That is a 2.4x watch time explosion. And it's achieved simply by hacking your script with those retention bridges. It's the exact same traffic, but drastically multiplied engagement. Section 4, 10x production speed with AI. Now, this is the linear AI workflow that honestly changes everything. First up, you use ChatGPT for script generation. Using very specific prompts, you can get broadcast-quality scripts in like 90 seconds. Second, 11 Labs generates a supernatural-sounding AI voiceover. Third, you paste that right into InVideo AI, which hunts down the stock footage and assembles the complete video for you. And finally, you run the whole thing through CapCut for auto captions, which saves you up to 90 minutes just on its own. This entire sequence pumps out videos in just 2 to 3 hours for under $3 each. It's absolute incredible leverage. Section 5, the $10,000 per month system.
Okay, big warning from the source here. Relying purely on AdSense is a massive mistake. It is by far the slowest path to meaningful income. Instead, you need to be looking at the revenue streams you're probably ignoring right now. Affiliate marketing, for example, allows you to start from literally day one, earning 5 to 30% commissions. And digital products, think templates or courses, those offer the highest margins because you create them once and you sell them forever.
So here is the simple algorithm-proof architecture. Step 1, build your audience by posting 1 to 2 videos a week. Step 2, capture that audience with a totally free email lead magnet. Step 3, launch a digital product, maybe like a $27 template, directly to that list. And finally, step 4, scale it up by launching a brand new product every 90 days. This whole process turns transient viewers into a recurring, owned revenue stream that no platform can ever take away from you. And just to prove this isn't all hype, let's break down a typical month 12 income spread for a creator with about 50,000 subscribers. Out of a $10,000 month, AdSense is actually the smallest piece of the pie at just $1,200. The real money comes from $4,000 in digital products, $2,800 from affiliates, and $2,000 from brand deals. This perfectly illustrates exactly why diversifying through that system is absolutely vital to your success. As we start to wrap up this explainer, I really want to leave you with this final high-octane quote directly from the source material. Your first 50 videos are tuition. The creators who survive to video 50 are playing a completely different game. Let this be your ultimate reminder to never, ever quit before you hit your breakthrough. Just put your head down, apply these tactics, and pay that tuition. If you want to dive even deeper into all of this, go grab the complete content creation playbook. It's got every secret, framework, and template we just talked about, and you can find it at the link in the bio. With the algorithm decoded, your AI tools ready to go, and a monetization system that is proven to work, what is actually stopping you from filming video number 1 today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.